In this tutorial I will show you how to remove Facebook account from Instagram. First open up the Instagram app. Then go to your profile page. Next tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap on the Account Center. Scroll down and tap Accounts. Then here you need to remove the Facebook account. Select Remove Account. Then tap Continue. And now once you've removed your account, new posts that you share on Instagram will no longer appear on Facebook. So this is how you can remove Facebook account from Instagram.